Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, today we will walk through Pepe Ascension, a layer 2 meme coin ecosystem that combines a pre-sale opportunity, a token creation launchpad, a staking program, and an automated dual reward distribution mechanism. This video explains what the project says it offers, how the pre-sale interface works, and where to find official resources. So in this video, I am going to explain each and every aspect of the Pepe Ascension. This video is going to be very informative. Please don't skip any part of the video. So dear viewers, keep it in mind. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial investment or trading advice. Cryptocurrency involve risks and values may fluctuate. Always verify official links, read the white paper and do your own research before participating. So let's dive into the details of the Pepe Ascension. So first of all, we will discuss what is Pepe Ascension. Pepe Ascension positions itself as a community-focused Layer 2 project on Ethereum intended to reduce fees and increase transaction speed while offering tools for creators and token communities. The ecosystem includes a pre-sale, a launchpad for creating tokens, staking mechanics, a referral program, and an automated reward distribution system tied to market conditions. So first of all, here we will discuss about the pre-sale. At the time of this recording, the pre-sale dashboard reports that approximately $28 million raised and a time remaining of roughly 6 hours and 1 minutes are left. Here you can check the time. The interface shows fields such as your purchased PIAP network Ethereum amount to pay with Ethereum and tokens to receive. The pre-sale interface also support payment methods that may include Ethereum and direct card payments, buy with card. So how to participate? So first of all, here you can see you can connect your wallet if you want to buy PIAP and take part the pre-sale. So dear viewers, here you can see that you can connect your wallet, connect your Phantom, MetaMask, Quantum or any other wallet that is compatible to it. So here we will connect our wallet. So dear viewers, here you can see we will connect our wallet. So dear viewers, here you can check that we have connected our wallet that is compatible to it, and here you can also check that you can select your network and it is shown Ethereum BSC ARB, and here you can also check that you can pay with Ethereum. So if you want to take part in the pre-sale, here you can check that you can buy it with 5%, 10%, 15%. You can also buy it with the card. You can confirm your transactions. So Pepe now has its own blockchain. Step into the golden era of memes where Adventure Pepe has unearthed the ultimate treasure, a revolutionary layer 2 blockchain. So now we will discuss the features of this project. Here you can see that it is going to be listed on top exchange, and here you can check the big name of the industry: Maxi Global, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, OKX, and 15 more tier 1 and US exchanges. So big name, and here you can check the partners and collaborators of the Pepe Ascension. Here you can also check about the updates, Pepe highlights, where we recap the last 2 weeks of building PIAP future on Ethereum layer 2. So here you can check the Ethereum layer 2, and here you can also check the zero cut. Zero cut is an important feature. A few weeks ago, we spun up the first version of PIAP pad advent quietly, no splash, just code and execution. The goal was simple: validate an architecture. And here you can also check the Pepe pump pad. So the next feature is zero cut. This is an important feature. The project states the launchpad supports a 2-click token creation flow with no coding required. The team indicates a 0% platform fee on its own launchpad, decentralized exchange DEX zero cut claim. Users should review the official terms and contract details on the project site to confirm how fees and liquidity mechanics are handled in practice. So dear viewers, here you can also check about the decentralized exchanges, bridges, stakings and blockchain ecosystem. Here you can check the details how to buy PIAP. First of all, you will have to create a wallet and then you will have to select the token and amount and then you can buy and approve the transactions. Here we will discuss about the tokenomics of the Pepe Ascension. You can check the project development share is 47.50%, staking and rewards at 20%, dual rewards 10%, marketing 10%, liquidity 7.5% and team share is 5%. Here you can also check the total token amount and it's a huge amount. Here you can also check the Pepe Ascension roadmap. Phase 1 is the awakening and it consists of launch of PIAP tokens, community building with early supporters, partnerships to establish a strong foundation, and the next one is phase 2, the great eruption, pre-sale with exclusive rewards, launch for stakings, community engagements through viral campaigns and meme driven events. And the phase 3 comprise of ascension to the layer 2. Pepe unveils his layer 2 blockchain, creating a show wave and shock wave in a crypto world and making the beginning of his golden era. So this is the roadmap and details have been provided. So dear viewers, if you have any question regarding Pepe Ascension, you can find detailed answer in the frequently asked question segment. Still you have any question, you can put your question in the comment section of the video. Now we will discuss dual rewards, how it is designed to work. The project describes an automated distribution executed at TGE based on the Ethereum price at the moment. If Ethereum is above $5,000, so dear viewers, here you can check. If Ethereum is above $5,000 at TGE, 5% of the Ethereum raised will be distributed to the PIAP holders proportionally based on a snapshot. And if Ethereum is below $5,000, 10% PIAP supply will be unlocked and distributed proportionally to the holders. And the team states both distribution routes have been coded, tested and deployed, and the process is automatic, no manual claims required. Snapshot detail: a one-time snapshot of PIAP holdings is scheduled for October 31, 2025. The snapshot is intended to be the immutable and the data will be published after capture. So remember the date, 31st October. And another amazing feature is PIAP staking and its mechanics and dashboard. Here you can check the lock period. Stakes are sealed for 7 days by default. Early exit option: the platform reports an early unlock mechanism by burning a portion of the staked balance. This reduces the remaining stake. Displayed estimate: the platform lists an estimated annual reward figure of 150% on the dashboard. This is presented as an estimate. Dashboard fields to expect stake balance and pool total stakes. The annual rate of reward will be 150%, and although all stakes are sealed for a period of 7 days, it is possible to unlock your tokens in advance by burning a portion of your stake balance. Buy and stake PIAP. And the next feature is referral system. The project references a referral flow to reward community growth. Typical behavior: share a verified referral link or code and receive the reward structure described in the official terms when referees participates, pre-sales, staking, etc. Exact referral rewards, eligibility rules and payout mechanics should be confirmed in official documentation before relying on them. So Pepe Ascension, invite your friend and earn 5% PIAP cashback. Take it all. The PIAP treasure is overflowing. Grab your 5% bonus before it drowns. And here is your invite link. Just copy it and share it with your friends. This is the white paper of the PIAP. The white paper is the primary technical and tokenomics reference. Read it carefully to understand token supply, distribution schedules, contract address, vesting and governance notes. The white paper and official documents are linked in the video descriptions. Review them thoroughly. I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out the details mentioned in the white paper of the PIAP Ascension. So dear viewers, this is the Pepe Ascension Telegram community. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join this Telegram community. Telegram is often used for official announcements, support threads, testnet guides, snapshot notices, and community question and answer sessions. Joining the official Telegram can help you get timely updates. Subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pepe Ascension, step-by-step tutorials and snapshot and dashboard reminders, and you can get real-time updates. We aim to present information clearly so you can verify and decide for yourself. So subscribe the Pepe Ascension YouTube channel and get the real-time information. Viewers, Pepe Ascensions combines layer 2 infrastructure, a token creation launchpad, a staking program, and an automated dual reward mechanism tied to Ethereum price at TGE. The pre-sale dashboard currently reports the raised amount and supports Ethereum and card flows. The team has published a snapshot date of October 31, 2025 and describes the reward distribution as automatic and tested. If you plan to explore this project further, read the white paper, verify contract address, use the testnet to learn the flows, and follow official channel for updates. You will find all relevant links conveniently located in the video description for ongoing updates on cryptocurrency and NFT projects. Be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. See you. Goodbye.